Silas, what is happening to you?
Zola! You have to stay away from me now.
We are going to have a baby, Silas.
A baby? I will always protect you.
We will make them hate him. This sabotage will ruin everything between Silas and Zola. I will plant this on the broken post.
Explain this, Silas!
It is not what you think. Zola, you must believe me.
I saw a beast near Silas's home. His presence puts you all in danger.
Chokwadi regai kuparadza chikafu.
Havana basa nemi.